OnTrend, and I'm back today with a wig review. This wig review is going to be about this cute little curly doo-wop I got rocking on my head right now. And this wig was sent to me from Encii Hair, that's Encii Hair, on Amazon. And I will link everything about this wig in the description box below, and also a link to their Amazon page so that you can go cop this cutie right here. But if you're new to my channel in good old Texas fashion, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back. And next time, bring a friend. So y'all, this cute little girl, this little curly thing it's doing it for me because I am loving the curls. I'm loving how I installed it. This is a 13x4 Brazilian virgin human hair, 10A grade, 100% unprocessed human hair wig. Deep curly is pre-plucked with baby hairs, 20 inches, lace front, 150 density, and it's of a natural color. Like I said, it is a 13x4. I will go ahead and show you the installation process. I'm going to definitely do a voiceover for that part of the video. Now, let's get into some specs. So, about this unit. The unit has 3 combs. There's a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side. It is 13x4 lace. You can part it anywhere. I'll show you a picture of what the model looks like. She has a middle part. But I decided to go ahead and give myself a little side part action because, you know, a little right side part action because that's how I was feeling. So, it is 20 inches. However, when you look at the unboxing, to me, it didn't look 20 inches. But, I mean, I guess if you pull a little bit, you would have to get your measuring tape because I didn't measure it, but I actually cut mine, so you'll see that as well. But I'm gonna come back and we'll talk, we'll chat it up after you watch, you know, this quick little install. Okay, see you at the end. So this is how the box comes. It just comes in 100% human hair, made in China box. Really simple. The delivery was really quick. I got this wig in a day. So inside the box, you get a netted wig cap, you get some eyelashes, and you get this cute little mirror. I didn't know what it was at first, but it is a mirror. So that is really cute. I can put that on my desk at work or something. But here is the wig, and as you see, it is 20 inches. It doesn't look like that, but yeah. I'm going to show you a close-up so that you can actually see the curl pattern. Like, this curl pattern is to die for. This is really giving me really natural vibes here. So yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. So the unit does come with 3 combs at the top. There's one to the right, one to the left, and one in the center. And also comes with a comb at the nape of the neck with the additional lace around the back if you choose to glue it all the way around. Now I added it to my mannequin head just so that you can see what it looks like straight out of the pack if I was to put it on my head. It is a little stiff, but you can see that they did pre-pluck it some, but not a lot. But here's your chance to go ahead and pre-pluck it if you wanted to. It did have a weird smell, so we're just going to go ahead and get rid of that with some shampoo. And I'm just simply going to use a Suave shampoo just to get rid of that smell, that packaging smell. But it wasn't really bad. It wasn't too bad, but I mean, you know, just to get rid of that smell, I'm just going to use some basic shampoo. It wasn't dirty, so the water did drain off clear after I washed it. And I'm simply just washing. I'm not going to do too much agitating to it. Just simply washing and just combing through it with my fingers. And that will take care of it because I don't want to lose that curl pattern. So now I'm just going to put the wig back onto my mannequin head and kind of pin it down with some T-pins. I'm going to also put my Prima Nature curling mousse in it just to kind of give them curls a little bit more definition. And at this point, we can just go ahead, let it air dry, go to bed, wake up in the morning, and complete the install. Now, sis, you cannot tell me these curls not giving what they supposed to give at this moment. They are giving, and I am here for it. So guys, I'm going to speed my process up. I'm going to actually put my wig in the dryer, and poof, it's the next morning. And yes, the wig did get poofy, but that's okay. When you put your wig in the dryer, make sure you put it inside of a silk bag if you want to speed that process up. But I didn't want to go to work with a wet cap, so I had to do this process just to kind of get it going a little bit. But here I'm just simply going to cut the lace off as usual. I'm going to install this wig using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And yeah, we're going to have a quick, seamless install. So, I hope you enjoyed the install portion of this video. Let me give you my pros and my cons. My cons for this unit, it does shed a little bit. I did get some shedding with this unit. Other than that, it's great. I love the curl pattern. It curls really easy. All I used was water. I used a little bit of my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Curling Mousse. I also used some Aunt Jackie's, what is this? Curl Boss jelly, just to kind of like, you know, put in my hand, and I kind of rubbed it through the unit. But other than that, that was pretty much it. I'm sure that when it fully dries, it will get a little bit poofy, but I'm okay with that because of big hair, don't care. So as far as that's concerned, I mean, I love it. I think this is a really good go-to wig. It's a good vacation wig. It's a good whatever you want to do with a wig. You can like definitely style it differently, you know, middle part, side part, put it up in a little bun at the top. Girl, limitless. Put a low bun in the back. Whatever you want to do with your wig, that is your business, sister. So again, shout out to Encii Hair on Amazon. That's Encii on Amazon. I think this wig ran probably about 130 to 150. But definitely go check them out. I think the hair is really good. It's good quality hair. Now I did have to wash it. You did see that I did have to wash it because it did have like a little smell, but that's not a problem. I just simply washed it and was ready to, I let it air dry. But I actually did speed up the air drying process. I kind of put it in a dryer. I put it in a wig bag and then I put it in a dryer just to kind of dry it up a little bit to kind of speed the process up. But you can let it air dry and it'll be just fine. Also, what else did I do to the unit? I'm trying to think, guys, because this is actually a day later. So what else did I do? Other than that, I think that was all I did to make this unit my own. And like I said, you can definitely rock it and make it your own. Like I said, the hair is really soft. It's nice. It's curly. I'm loving a curly little doo-wop, pop, pop. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say about this unit other than it's good. It's a go-getter. The link will be in my description box down below, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and come back next time for more videos. Okay, see you guys. And if I don't say this before next week, I want to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas. Bye.